Hey guys, it's Frannie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. So the first thing you need is 1 bottle of glue.
Oh, so fast. And while she's doing that, where'd my teaspoon measure go?
I didn't do it.
We're going to put in how much baking soda, Frannie?
A
quarter of a teaspoon. While she's letting that all drip out. Okay, keep going. Keep dripping. Okay. At this point, you can choose if you want to add a color. Frannie's going to do green today.
Can I do a little more because I want it dark green? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm going to make sure you get all the glue out of your bottle because you don't want to waste.
And you just gotta let it drip until it stops dripping. Which sometimes is hard because it takes a long time. So if it just keeps on dripping and dripping, you just like turn it and like... Come on. Ooh, that's a big batch. Isn't it? Ooh, that's big.
There's that last blob that we were looking for.
Yeah.
Alright, Frannie. You start stirring for your viewing audience. I'll get rid of this bottle. So right now, Frannie's just stirring the glue, the baking soda, and her color.
Ooh, this is kind of like a pretty green.
Let me get that mixed real good for you so your video is not super long. It's a nice green color, see? Alright, there you go. Alright, Frannie, what do we add next?
Then you add contact solution.
Contact lens solution.
Oh, contact.
That's right.
I just said contact solution.
You need a lot, but don't put in a bunch at one time because you don't want to put too much.
Oh, I shouldn't tell them because we're doing it steps.
Right.
So I was just going to say it, but I'll say it when I do it.
Okay.
And when you add enough, it'll like start to get in a clump, right?
Starts to get harder to stir.
Which is what you want. It should be like a clump, and it'll show you when it gets...
You want it less like glue and more like slime.
Yeah. And it'll show you when it gets into a clump. Is this a big bowl?
Yeah, it's not the bowl we usually use. And there. Alright, so it's starting to get clumpy. See how hard it is to stir? So Frannie, what ingredient do we need next to make it less sticky?
Baby oil.
A couple drops of baby oil.
And you want less baby oil than contact lens.
Way less.
Yeah.
Baby oil is just to keep it from getting too sticky.
And it smells really nice.
And it makes it smell good, true.
Oh yeah, I'm doing it by myself. It should look like this when you add the baby oil.
Let me get the sides for you.
The boys are being crazy outside, right?
So what else is new? Even the stuff that's stuck on the sides should start sticking to your slime because slime just sticks to itself.
Mm-hmm.
Looking pretty good. A little bit more contact solution before you pick it up, you think? Or...
Yeah, just a little.
Okay, let's do another little shot. Okay. Now, a little trick Frannie does before she picks it up for the first time is what?
I put baby oil in my hands and rub it, and then I put the slime in my hands, so it doesn't stick to my hands so much.
Just a little bit.
Just a tiny
drop or two. Rubs your hands together.
Please, 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 please give it to me. Give it to me. Makes my eyes water. Please, please, please.
Okay, now she starts pulling in her hands like taffy.
Oh, it's not sticky at all.
It's a good batch. Look at that.
Then you want to knead it, and when you add a lot of contact solution to make it not so sticky, but don't add too much because then it'll get hard. But the more you knead it, the less sticky it gets, right?
Right, but you got to pull a little bit to see if you need more. You think you need a smidge more? Or you think it's going to dry up?
I think if I just knead it a little more, it might go well. I think.
Yeah, it's not sticking to you very much at all.
And plus it's slime.
Oh yeah, but it's not supposed to stick to you.
It's just supposed to be stretchy and squishy. I might need a little more.
Okay.
Just a little.
Let's put a little bit more in there. So she just holds it in her hands, and we squirt a little bit more on, and she rubs it in. Pull it like you're pulling taffy.
We've never made taffy, have we?
No.
Is that what you eat?
Yeah.
Some people make edible slime out of like fibers. Ew, it farted. I think I just need it a little more and it'll get better.
Once you do this for a couple minutes, it'll start not sticking to you. If it keeps sticking to you, just keep adding little by little contact solution.
Just a little bitty drop.
What do you think? I think you're about good here.
Yeah.
Show the camera. Stretches really far.
Ah,
No longer sticking.
you should look like this when you're done.
Give it a nice pull. Let them see. Maybe lean in a little. Let them see up close. There we go.
And it falls down when you stretch it.
It sticks to itself. You don't have to worry about it sticking to anything.
It might stick to you just a little bit, but then if you need it more, it'll not get so sticky. Bye!